Today, we're diving into the exciting world of transforming Retell AI into your very own software, exploring the ultimate in customization and software branding. First, let's discuss whitelabeling. This involves removing any mention of Retell AI and replacing it with your brand. Many platforms, including Retell AI, offer whitelabel options, allowing you to use their technology behind the scenes while presenting your unique brand identity. This includes changing the logo, color scheme, and even the domain name. Next, focus on user interface or UI customizations. This is where you tailor the look and feel to perfectly reflect your brand. This involves decisions like layout, typography, and the placement of features within your software. Think about a user experience that is both intuitive and visually appealing. We can also talk about integrating other features. Determine specific features that complement your target audience's needs. Maybe you need integrations with existing CRMs, payment gateways, or project management tools. This can set your software apart by providing a more cohesive and streamlined workflow for your users. The final step is to begin building upon the Retell AI foundation. Remember to do your research. Consider aspects such as costs, technical support, and ongoing maintenance for the creation of your software. With diligent planning, branding, and some creative innovation, your Retell AI software can truly become your own unique and powerful software product.